In this video we will learn how to add task in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the organization module on top navigation bar. Click on task form. Click on add new task button. Enter the task name and select project from drop-down. Select the filter criteria to map employees for task. Include or exclude employees and mark a lead for the task. Enter description. And click on submit button. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted.